Welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make circular designs as shown here. So it's very easy. Suppose I'm clicking on this run command and you could see here different circles. With one sprite I have very easily made this. So how to do that? Now I'm taking you directly on the coding part. So firstly I'll go to event and from here I'll select when clicked. After selecting when clicked, I'll choose the pen command here. If on your screen pen is not there, you can always click at the bottom on extensions and from here you can select the pen by clicking upon this. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll use erase all. I have already explained you erase all in my previous tutorials, and then I have to use pen down. I'm using pen down so as when I should make the circle along with the sprite when it moves, it can easily make it, because pen down command only allows the sprite to draw a line wherever it moves. So after this I'll use control block, and from control block I'll use repeat. So it's looking something like this, and then here I am just writing 25, repeat 25 times, and then here I want to use motion block on top, move command I want to use, and turn command. So move also I want to make it 25, turn let it be 15 only, and along with this I want to use my change pen color just to make it a colorful one. My circle should be colorful one, so I'll use this. So let's see whether it is making my circle or not. I'll run my command. Okay, it's moving, but I have not used pen down. So by mistake I have used pen up command. I'll just take it here. I'll click here pen down, it's here, pen down command. Pen down command. So I'll just drag it. So now I think it will work for me. Okay, so it's working for me and it's simply creating one circle. So just to make pattern of circles inside, what I have to do, it's very simple. I'll just duplicate this. I'll just click it and then duplicate option is coming. I'll click upon duplicate. So it's here. I'll just join this. And here I'll do one change here. Instead of 25, I'll use 20. Now let's see what it is doing. Okay, so two circles are being made. So now it's still simple. Again I'll duplicate this. I'll click upon duplicate and then I'll paste it at the bottom, and now where move was 20 steps, I'll make it to 15. Now after 15 again I'll duplicate. I'll place it here. So earlier I have used 15, then firstly 25 steps, then 20 steps, then 15. After 15 I'll use 10. So 10, 15, 20, 25. So I'm only making changes in my move steps command. Now I'll run this command. 1 2 3 4. So you can make 5 circles, 6 circles, 7 circles. So you can easily observe that the coding is very simple, although it's looking little lengthy, but I have just duplicated all the steps. So it's very simple. Still, if you feel that any doubt is there to make all these circles, you can always leave a comment. So I am closing my tutorial here. If you have any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me or just comment me.